Hi, I'm Mary Gerard, and I'm presenting a pilot study that I conducted during the beginning of my PhD candidature in 2019. My research involves examining the role that seabird nutrient subsidies play on the soil and plant dynamics on the islands that they inhabit. This study was located on a small island off the shore of New South Wales on a major dune that holds an established colony of wedge-tail shearwaters, which is over 10,000 breeding pairs of nesting seabirds. Seabirds are a medium between land and sea because they forage on the ocean surface and they transfer that material back to the land by depositing excrement or guano, which is rich in bioavailable phosphorus and nitrogenous compounds like uric acid. By testing the soil depth and surface parameters by landscape zone, we were able to find evidence of both surface and subsurface movement and distribution of carbon and soil nutrients. For example, ammonium and nitrate were typically used up within the first 30 centimeters of depth, but there was a significant subsurface accumulation of extractable phosphorus present. Carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus were all significantly greater in concentration in the swale region of the dune, which was defined as a drainage zone with peats and a distinct vegetation type. Stable isotopes of nitrogen 15 and carbon 13 in soil were also tested to be used as a proxy for nutrient source and cycling patterns. We found that particularly with nitrogen isotopes, the enriched values were consistent with that of marine signatures. So in other words, most of the nitrogen in this system is coming from seabird guano. This study suggests something a little bit different than common avian soil research in that we factored in landscape characteristics like slope and soil type in deep sandy soils and considered the subsurface hydrology and redistribution of seabird-derived nitrogen and phosphorus. Thanks for reviewing my poster and my research with the University of New England.